document. רגע, ג'וי,
It's okay.
ג'וי, תשרי פה.
I'm listening. I don't want to be quiet.
Go ahead.
Let's go ahead, Debbie.
אז רגע אחד. Joy, I talking the present tense for you.
That's okay, I'm listening.
That's okay, she's listening.
כשדוד ואני הולכים בדרך, אנחנו מדברים על התפילה בבית הכנסת. כשמוציאים, when they take out, ספר התורה מארון הקודש,
The Torah, yeah.
the sin, and they mention this, and they mention, כי מציון תצא תורה. כי מציון תצא תורה. And they were singing for me, ודבר השם מירושלים. And I was explaining to him the words, because I thought it was important to know what he chants.
Right.
And the words are so meaningful. And it says, God, build Jerusalem again. Build the walls of Jerusalem. It's so beautiful. And it's an expression of generations of longing. למה את מצלמת אותי? דוד, בוא לפה. דוד, תעמוד פה, אם את רוצה לצלם אותך.
Did you understand what Ima had said to you in
דוד, תשב
Ivri?
פה, תעמוד פה.
I doubt it.
דוד, תעמוד פה. ג'וי, תעמדי על יד
Another language. Okay. I like that you only have Pokey's pictures. Nobody likes you or Brami.
ברמי, תמיד ככה שתראה את ברמי.
It's Pokey.
That's Pokey.
Pokey. That's Pokey. That's Pokey. Oh, really?
And look at the picture.
It looks like Pokey.
That's me.
That does look like Pokey. Okay, I'm sorry. So,
And the beautiful woman there, the beautiful woman, make the beautiful woman, she is the mother of Joy. Joy's mother was very great. So they say, Ab Harachamim, father of compassion. Okay, that's what learn. Build Zion and build the walls of Jerusalem. You know, after the diaspora, Jerusalem was destroyed. The שומע דוד, I'm proud of you that you're doing tefillah every morning.
okay.
דוד, עכשיו נדבר עוד קצת בעברית. Once I helped David learn a list of words. בודק. אני בודק את השיעורים. What other שיעורים? אורז.
Did you go downstairs? Do you have everything you need?
Yeah, thank you.
You sure?
Mhm.
I'm going to go say Lila Tov.
Okay.
בואי here, תעמדי פה.
Oh, no.
That's okay. That's okay.
ג'וי, לעמוד
I'll
פה.
No, I'm going to go Lila Tov.
But she wants to take a picture.
No, tomorrow.
That's okay.
When I'm ready for work. Thank you.
Lila's Tov.
Lila's Tov, Joy. So say goodbye to Joy, because you'll come later.
I'll see her in the morning.
Yeah.
I will see. Maybe she will sleep. Okay, yeah.
No, I'll wake up.
Yeah. דוד, okay, now what is, תגיד לנו, תדבר בעברית. מה אתה אוהב לראות בטלוויזיה? אני אוהב
TV, ESPN, video games,
משחקים וידאו תגיד. עכשיו תגיד לנו עוד פעם.
all the encores, because they have awesome.
כל האונקור, all זה כל.
מה זה אנקורס?
לא יודעת מה זה.
הדרן.
I used to like Disney Channel.
But now you're old, right?
דוד אישי.
The
דוד, תגיד משהו בעברית, תגיד ככה. אני אוהב לאכול, את יודעת, once when I was here, דוד said to me, in Hebrew, אני רוצה פסטה עכשיו. לא, מה הכל? אז תגיד עוד...
That's almost Hebrew. 3 out of 4 words.
Okay, come give hugging for you to sleep. Oh no, that's in it. That's